Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Salesforce announcements brought to you by saasguru. I'm Atif, and in this video we'll deep dive into the month's hottest topics, buzzworthy events, and so much more from the Salesforce world. But before we kick off, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for your regular dose of Salesforce updates. Salesforce has made big advancements in the AI industry this month, from launching 2 new products to investing $500 million in startups. During the Connections conference on June 7th, the CRM industry leader announced 2 new generative AI products, Marketing GPT and Commerce GPT. Marketing GPT creates personalized emails, smarter audience segments, and customized marketing journeys. On the other hand, Commerce GPT offers real-time personalized shopping experiences for Salesforce customers. The same day, Salesforce announced the availability of WhatsApp for its Service Cloud. The company said that this feature, which is powered by data and AI, enables organizations to connect with customers through personalized and intelligent interactions on the messaging platform. Additionally, Salesforce made 2 new important announcements. First, WhatsApp for Salesforce's Marketing Cloud is now widely available. And second, the upcoming release of GPT-powered service replies is scheduled for later this month. During that week, Salesforce announced a broader strategic partnership with Google Cloud. According to reports, this partnership spans various products and services, including Google's BigQuery, which allows companies to create unified profiles of their customers for highly personalized experiences. Additionally, Salesforce announced an integration with Google Cloud's Vertex AI, providing customers more choices in utilizing AI and customer data. On June 12th, Salesforce hosted its AI Day event in New York. Mark Benioff, Chair and CEO of Salesforce, and his executives presented the company's current AI strategy and made various product announcements. The most important thing we're doing in AI is trusted and responsible AI, Benioff said at the event. Salesforce teased the launch of AI Cloud as well, a suite of new products designed for businesses to provide reliable, open, and instant generative experiences across all applications and workflows. AI Cloud reportedly utilizes various Salesforce technologies such as Einstein, Data Cloud, Tableau, Flow, and MuleSoft. Additionally, it employs the new Einstein GPT Trust Layer, a tool the company said prevents large language models, or LLMs, from retaining sensitive customer data. At the same event, Salesforce Ventures, the company's investment arm, announced that it was doubling a $250 million commitment to invest in generative AI startups that it made in March to now $500 million. The ambitious expansion of its generative AI fund will bolster the AI startup ecosystem and aid the development of responsible generative AI. While the generative AI fund is growing, at the same time, Salesforce is launching a program called AI for Impact. The program will give $2 million to groups working on education, workforce, and climate issues. These groups can use reliable generative AI technologies fairly. On June 16th, Salesforce announced the general availability of its mobile app plus offline access solution. This solution enhances app security and allows businesses to work securely from anywhere, including areas with limited to no internet connectivity. Marketing professionals have a positive outlook on generative AI's impact, but are still in the process of exploring and learning its effectiveness and safety, according to the latest research by Salesforce. The study shows that 51% of marketers currently use generative AI, while another 22% plan to use it soon. However, 39% of the respondents are uncertain about how to use generative AI safely. The research also highlights that generative AI is transforming the roles of marketers, particularly in content creation and copywriting. Additionally, 53% of those surveyed believe that generative AI will be a game changer in data analysis, designing marketing campaigns, and personalizing messaging content. The majority of respondents, 71%, see generative AI as a time-saving tool that will eliminate busy work and allow them to focus on more strategic tasks. On June 20th, Salesforce launched some new products: Consumer Goods Cloud for Service, Trade Promotion Effectiveness Dashboards, and MuleSoft Direct for Consumer Goods, powered by the latest Einstein AI and automation technologies. These products help businesses improve their top line and bottom line growth, boost customer satisfaction, and better manage their trade promotion budgets. Salesforce partnered with Tent.org on World Refugee Day to offer training to 1,500 refugees and help 600 more get jobs through the Salesforce Talent Alliance. The announcement at the 10th European Business Summit in Paris on June 20th shows Salesforce's dedication to support displaced people through partnership with customers, non-for-profits, and employees. Well, Trailblazers, that's all for Salesforce News this month. Thank you for watching and keep being awesome. I'll see you soon.